In this video, we're going to add two matrices together. It's one of those topics that sounds more complicated than it really is. So let's get started. First, a quick reminder of what a matrix is. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. When we talk about the size of a matrix, we describe it by its rows first, then its columns. So a matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns is called a 2 by 2 matrix. Here's the key rule for adding matrices. We can only add 2 matrices if they are exactly the same size. That means they must have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. If the matrices are different sizes, the addition simply isn't possible. To add them, the rule is very simple. We add the corresponding elements. In other words, the numbers in the same position in each matrix. For a pair of 2 by 2 matrices, we sum the elements in the top left corner and the elements in the top right corner. Then, the elements in the bottom left corner and the elements in the bottom right corner. Here's a quick example where we've been given a pair of 3 by 2 matrices, and remember, we're adding the corresponding elements in each matrix. Negative numbers can be missed, so pay close attention whenever you see them. Remember the basic integer rules. When we add a negative number, like we did with 5 plus minus 3, it's exactly the same as subtracting. As long as the matrices match in size, we just add the corresponding positions. In our next video, we'll see what happens when we subtract matrices. Spoiler alert, it's just as simple.